Alright guys, this is a E92 2011 328i. Today we will be replacing this little thing right here. That is the key ignition assembly. And right now it's not working. You know how I know that? I'll show you. So I put the key in. And then I'm gonna turn it on so you can see. You gotta hold it in. See, it's not even. I gotta like play with it sometimes. Look. Alright, there. Oh. Alright. Alright, there it goes. Alright, so it finally started. And then my car being on, I removed the key. And it's still on. Turn it off. And if I open the door as if I'm leaving, like that. It's reading the key as if the key is in, but it's not. So that's how you know if you have a faulty assembly. So here it is. I got a new one. This is what it looks like on the inside. We'll be replacing this. I'll show you guys how. First thing you're gonna do, if you have like the trim tools to take these out, you can use that. I personally don't have one anymore. I lost them, so I'm gonna use a flathead. All you have to do is pop this baby out just like that. This is the back of it. Just like that. And it has two screws, one here and one here. Right here. I like to go through here, makes it a little bit easier. So this is the tricky part. See, it's not coming out as easily. So these two little tabs is like this, right? These two little tabs right here is what's preventing it from coming out. So I need to find a way to somehow get something back there to push these two little tabs down like that, and then we can easily just take it out. This is a multi-tool. I try to use this to like go in there and try to like at least pop it out a little bit. You see the difference? The one on the top, you can see the tab. The one on the bottom is still locked in. So I have to keep doing what I'm doing and try to take that one out, and then I can pull it out. Trick is to go like in the middle and then swift up like that. Boom. Same thing with the bottom. You go like this, like right in the middle, and then you come down and boom. I'm gonna take it out. This is plug and play. There's no programming or coding necessary. So as we can see, here's the connection right there. It's gonna be plugged into this. Here. So very carefully. See? It has these two pins right here. All you have to do is push them in and pull out. Yes. And you can get an idea of what's in here. It's simply like this. Some foam, this foam, and over here you really don't have much. See? You're not going against anything here. All you need to do is get those clips out of there. Because all there is in there is space. See? This is like way back there. nothing to do with the clip. Alright, now that the hard part is over, now comes the easy part. So this is a brand new part. It's got in the mail today. Positive plate right here. Let's push that. So it clicks. Make sure it's in there good. Alright. And this is it. Watch. Look at how easy this is. Bam. Perfect. Put this thing right back. So all you have to do is push it in. Perfect. Alright, so now we're gonna do the test. So remember before I had to like play with this key in order to turn it on? So let's see how it works now. Bam. Didn't have to play with it at all. Alright. Let's see. Turn it on. Perfect. So before, and my car being on, I remove the key. And if I pull the key out, see, it won't even allow me to do that now. Alright, so I'm gonna turn the car off. Take the key out. See, now I have to push it in to pull it out. Before I could just pull it out because it has like these grooves in there. See? It locks it in, so you have to push it in to let it know you're taking it out, and then it will come out. But before, I could just completely pull it out. See, now the car's completely off whenever I pull this out. Before, even if I pulled the fob out, the car would remain on because it thought the key was still in there. I removed the key and it's still on. So that is how you replace a key fob ignition assembly. Hope you guys liked it. Another way that I knew that piece was faulty is this. It's a code for a hall sensor. So verifying that it has been fixed. We go in here. This is the 3 series. So this is for the basic functions. Let's see. System scan. Please wait 10 seconds, turn ignition off, and switch on again. Alright, 10 seconds has elapsed. No faults. So, remember how the first one, port access system, it had 2 codes on there? You have done a great job.